Very nice to meet you. Happy to meet you. Welcome to my channel. In my previous video, I covered up to 10 qualities of officers-like qualities. Another 6 I am going to tell you today. In that, one thing I want to tell you that out of 10 qualities, whatever I told you, the last one was not appropriate quality. In that place, today I am going to cover with another 6. Okay? Of course, 7. 10 means it will become a 9. Then today I am going to tell you 7. Okay. Now, we'll see. The next quality is power of convincing. Power of convincing means, as a commander, if you are ordering your subordinates to do a job and the subordinate is not convinced to do it, or you see, practically in our own life also, at our family or among the friends, there are so many things we discuss. During the discussion, there are so many works need to be done by others. If they deny, what will happen? You have to convince them to do it. Like that, the soldiers should be convinced by your order, by your quality, using your efforts and the power and the knack, how to convince your soldiers. Like that, same thing your higher ups, same thing your lower officers. So, power of convincing is very, very important quality. Then next quality comes reasonability quality. Reasonability quality means you should know your men. Whomever you are commanding, you must know them. They are up to their personal life, their caliber, their talent, their capability. Accordingly, you must assign them the task. If you are assigning a task which a particular person, Mr. X, cannot do, then no point. You have to see what is his caliber, whether he will be able to accomplish the task, or Mr. B will do that, or Mr. A will do that. That thing you must know. According to the caliber of the people, you must assign the task. That is called quality of reasonability. Then loyalty. Loyalty, of course, it's very, very important. Not only to the soldiers, not only to the officers, it's to everybody. The recently the incident taken an incident that our wing commander, our Indian Air Force wing commander, Abhinandan, who dropped in the territory of Pakistan. He is pilot officer, fighter pilot officer. He dropped inside the territory of Pakistan, even though with a lot of compulsion and whatever the way they tortured him to get out, the other things about our nation secrets and missions, what for came, all those things, he did not give up himself. He was mentioning, reminding them the Geneva Convention. Sir, as per that order, that rule, you are not supposed to ask me, I am not supposed to tell you. That was the quality. Then, presence of mind and the alertness. Presence of mind and the alertness, of course, this is to you and me, to everybody, it is very important, because our life, the civilian life, is in a peace manner, whereas the defense forces, whether they are soldiers or officers, their life is with full of war atmosphere. If your mind is not having the presence, then you have to lose your task. Because being a commander, you always have at least 100 people under you. 100. If your mind is wavering and you are not having the kind of, kind of presence of mind, gone. Whole you gone, along with you, you take 100 people's lives also. So presence of mind and alertness is very, very important. Then coming to determination and willpower. determination, willpower, of course, from the childhood till your death it is required. In all walk of your life. That's why I always tell, leadership quality is not a single word, and officer-like qualities cannot be narrated in single word. Entire walk of your life, each and every step, these officer-like qualities, leadership quality is required. So determination, for everything determination is required. If you do not have determination, you cannot do the training. Likewise, if you do not have the determination, you could have not passed your degree. There are so many things connected with the determination and the willpower. So determination, willpower is very important quality of OLQ. Then coming down to self-confidence. Self-confidence is playing very important role each and every place in one's life. If you want to run 5-kilometer run or take a part of competitive exam, you must have self-confidence. When self-confidence is there, you can take the decision. When proper decision is taken, your task and your mission is successful. So, ladies and gentlemen, this quality is a very important quality. Of course, and professional competency. Professional competency is another very important quality. In my 10 qualities previous video, I told you in that the 10th quality, this professional competency is replacing. Okay, gentlemen and ladies, please understand, in case of any doubt, you can ask me. Professional competency means whatever the task is given to you, you must know about the task, you prepare about your task, and you must do it. When you are a soldier, you must justify it. When you are an officer, justify it. If you are a son of your family, you must justify it. You must know what you are doing, what's the task given to you. This is called professional competence. Okay, now since this video is going more than 10 minutes, now as I promised you initially, I want to tell you an example for leadership quality as a whole. I may not be able to cover it in this video. I will cover it in the next video subsequently. So, ladies and gentlemen, be prepared to appear in SSB. And now take out your system, laptop, find where is the application is means available, and fill it up. Wait for the call letter. Any doubt, call me 9632 77722. I will come again with a small story about leadership quality as a whole. Till then, goodbye. Jai Hind.